Growing up, I remember going on these big family vacations in the big family station wagon. In fact, if we ever got pulled over, it couldn't be by the police, it had to be by the Coast Guard. Today we're talking about a whole new type of wagon, the VW Sportwagen. Let's go! At first glance, this car reminds me a lot of another car that starts with an S and ends in Subaru. It's just one of those cars that can do a lot more things than most people think. The Sportwagen is available with a manual transmission for those of you who like to drive stick. The turbo that's available on this thing gives it some serious kick when you need it, whether in the city or on the highway. Now, one of my favorite features on this was the 4Motion all-wheel drive. Generally, I wouldn't be taking this type of car up this type of road, but holy smokes, it works as advertised. You can also pack a lot inside the Sportwagen, whether inside or up on top. As with all VWs, it comes with the 6-year, 72,000-mile warranty, and the folks at Strong Volkswagen have a lifetime warranty they put on this that can save you even more money. And speaking of money, it can come in around $10,000 less than the other car. Test drive the VW Sportwagen at Strong Volkswagen in downtown Salt Lake City.